Now, after the control unit installed, car is running good with both keys. After VVDI2 downgrade, now I will get it. You will get VVDI2 and try to repair keyless go key after the downgrade. And now, as you see, case is there. Close the door. Fire. Press brake. Start button. Nothing. Also, same situation. Car started good, but proximity functions not working. So I will remove the boss key and connect to BMW. Connect, okay. Get key info, insert, okay. Should remove this out of the car. Let them gel. Okay. Disable security error. This is what I have after a downgrade with CGDI. Now everything connected again on bench with the same wiring used earlier and VVDI2. Now I manage it to disable security, but I will show you it once again. Connect. Just close it now. The key info. Notice here is no key. Insert the key. Next, start security. Authenticating success. Start security login now. Key number 7. Now it will ask me to remove it. Okay. Start security. Now reading. Use save. Says original information. Okay. Tests. Save. Repair keyless key. Proceeds to load. We'll read the instruction, come back again. Now come back again, press yes, will load file, insert first keyless key into the device programmer and press OK. That's the keyless key. Okay. Current keyless key is into the runner. Do you have second keyless key? No. Fix it. Save. Now I need to load and write fixed key info. Load key info. Fixed. Write key info. Can't connect. Why can't connect? Delete key info. Next. Remove. Okay. Okay, save. Make it as 2. Save. Yes. Keyless key. Okay. No. Fix it. 2. Save. Load. Fix it. 2. Right. Dealer could be should taken away from the ignition switch. Nothing is there. The key is keyless. Please move to also for key ignition switch. Okay. Writing data. Please wait. Writing data success. Now I will go to car and test the proximity functions after inserting this key and this one. Now I'm having these 2 keys here and I just tested proximity functions and it worked good. Now the car is closed, but this door handle is not correct to test. Need to test too much times to open because too much paint here. Now I will go there to test on the also have too much paint. But if I open with the remote and enter the car, at this moment after repair this didn't work, and now car starts successfully without inserting anything here, or at least one time no. Okay, without anything. Also door handles is not so good. I tried them now and worked, but after too much times. Now after one time repair keyless go key with VVDI2, proximity functions worked good. Now I will wait and close the door to show you again. Assume that the car is closed. notice. We'll wait a little bit. Open. See you that entered the vehicle. At this moment, before the page, if you try to start, the car will not. Now try. Notice work it. Okay. That's it. Door handles have too much paint on it, so it didn't sense my hand good, but it also works if you wait. Thanks for watching.